Hey guys, my name is David, and tooth sensitivity is not a joke. It all started a few months ago when I started getting this discomfort in my mouth whenever I had ice cream or a cold drink. Didn't think too much of it. I thought it would go away if I would just avoid cold foods. But unfortunately for me, the pain in my teeth increased in time no matter what I ate. I remember eating a hot grilled cheese sandwich and getting this sharp pain on the right side of my mouth. It got worse when I get this pain while simply brushing my teeth. Like most people, I just looked up home remedies online to make it go away. I tried saltwater rinse, drinking peppermint tea, even chewed a piece of garlic. Eventually, I just went to my dentist at Trident to see what was the problem. My dentist told me that I should not have waited so long because I had to get a root canal to fix, which was exactly what I did, and now I'm pain-free. So people, are you experiencing tooth sensitivity? Don't wait for it to get worse. Just go see your dentist and get it fixed.